Good morning, everyone. This is Mira Setti from Remax coming to you from Edison, New Jersey. I am outside of my listing at 54 Holly Court. Just wanted to show you this beautiful outdoor setting in the back off of the deck. Something that, of course, we'll all appreciate after all the snow we've had. This gorgeous green grass. And this could be the view you are seeing if you choose to live in this community. This is the Timberline, and it's very close to amenities, schools, public transportation. You have a front deck and a back deck. This is the back deck that I'm showing you here. Right, and like I said, really nice. So come on over to our open house this weekend. I know some people may have missed the open house last weekend because of Easter. So we're gonna have it on Saturday, 12 to 4, and on Sunday, 11 to 3. I will add the information below. If you have any questions, DM me, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Looking forward to seeing everybody. All right, take care. Bye.